everybody, welcome back to Trini Boutique. I am back with another video, and today I am going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. So if you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button because I have so much in store you do not want to miss. If this video helps you, be sure that you subscribe. Leave me some feedback and give me a thumbs up. If you're not new here, thank you for coming back and tuning in, and I hope that my videos help you. But let's get right on into it. So I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva, and I'm actually doing this on my phone. So all you have to do is download the Canva app and open it up, and here we are. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the top here and I'm going to search YouTube thumbnail. As you see, it's already in my recent history, so I'm just going to click on that. And here you see all of the templates that are available to you depending on the particular design that you're trying to create. For this one, I want something basic. So I'm going to use this one right here that says how to edit videos. So now I have my template and I'm going to start editing. So first I'm going to click on the picture. And I'm going to go to the bottom of my screen and I'm going to get rid of that. So click on the trash can little icon and delete image. Now I want to delete this as well. So the next thing that I want to do is I'm going to click on the plus button and I'm going to go to elements. I want to add the Canva logo. But as you see here in elements, you have so many different things to choose from. You have shapes, you have frames, designs for calls. Like, you have so many different things to choose from, y'all, depending on what you're trying to do. So this is why I love Canva so much, because you can pretty much design anything. But for today, I'm going to use the Canva logo. So I'm going to add that to my image and I'm going to resize it and place it according to how I want it to look. I want it to kind of take up the right side of that template. So I'm going to make it as big as I can. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to edit my text. So here I'm going to click on the very first box. And I'm going to go to the bottom of my screen where it says shorthand and I'm going to click there. And this is where you have all of your available fonts. But for this particular one, I want something simple. So I'm going to go with Nixie 1. So click there and then you click out and you're done. I do want to kind of move this up a little bit. So then I'll proceed to edit the rest of my text as well. Move that up. Go on to videos. And actually, let me change this text because I want it to say how to create. So edit to create. Onto videos, I'm going to change the font to Nixie 1. And I'm going to click edit so that I can change my wording. And I'm going to say a YouTube. And then I'm going to change the size of the box by click on that outer little triangle looking shape you see between the two circles, and you just go out and make it as big or as small as you want. I like to kind of make it not flushed up against my words, but as close as it will get. And then I'm going to center my words there. Now I need another box. So now I'll show you what to do if you need another box. You can click here on the plus sign and then you go to elements and you can add a shape, or the way I did it was, let me go back. I'm going to click on the box because the box and the words are grouped together. You don't want to ungroup them because then it will separate the two and you'll have to move the box and the word if you want to reposition. So I'm just going to go to the bottom left side of my screen where you see the plus sign, and I'm just going to add, and it duplicates that. And now I can click and edit my text. So I'm going to put thumbnail. Using. And I want to center that text. There we go. And I'm going to make this font a little bit smaller just because it does take up 2 lines. And I'm going to reposition my squares just a little bit so that I can fit everything inside without running over. There we go. And now I want this arrow right here to kind of point to Canva because that is going to finish my phrase, how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. So I'm going to click on that particular element, and I'm going to place my finger on the left circle that has the 2 arrows in, and I'm just going to move it around until it points toward the word Canva. Now you see how the arrow goes behind the circle? So what you can do then is with the arrow still highlighted, with the arrow still highlighted, I'm going to go down to the bottom of my screen and I'm going to click on position. And now I'm going to click forward and it brings that to the front. Now I want to resize this. And there we are. Super simple, you guys. So here is the finished look for our YouTube thumbnail. Please, please, if you are a business owner, you definitely want to take advantage of Canva for using, for creating any type of thumbnail or any type of poster or flyer or anything that you want to do. But for today, here's the finished look. I hope that this helped y'all. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. And until next time, y'all, peace and love.